Yeah.
So which way should we go?
Just to keep your feet.
That's basically new over there anyway. No, it's new now. Are you going to have a beer now?
Hello, sir.
Hello, how are you?
Welcome, sir. The Broadway, the best bar, cheapest and the best.
The number one.
Beer 3 euro.
For you, that's
Old
the
Town Albufeira. This one the best.
That's the
Thank
one,
you
yeah?
very much. Where are you from, sir?
Just near London.
My name is fucking Rambo.
How you
It's
doing?
LPR. Nice to meet you, sir. Let's
you
have a
doing?
drink something. You are in sunshine table. Going to be the sun. Very good sunshine.
It's going to be finished soon.
Very good. One for the road.
Come on in, one
Yes,
second.
thank
Come on
you.
then. Come on then, Rambo.
Never said no.
Cheers, man.
Quick one drink, Rafael. They are very thirsty.
Thank you. There's Conor. Hey, Conor. Conor.
Now, Conor McGregor, we're going to stalk him out.
Is he not walking like he is?
Come here. Come here, my friend. Come here.
So we're still in Old Town and we are just looking for cheap cocktails. It's happy hour and then we're about to go and have some lunch. We've also found another place that does €3 beers. So it looks like the cheapest place is at the moment €3 if you want a full pint. Some do it for more, but there is €3 places in Old Town.
And Rambo does it cheapest. Rambo, number one.